Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover your Trust Wallet account. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see currently, once you log into your Trust Wallet account, or maybe you can't log in because you need to recover, it's going to show you a button that looks similar to this where it's going to say to add to previous wallet. Now once you click on it, it's going to show you these two options and you can either create a new one or add an existing wallet. Once you click on add existing wallet, there are many options, including the secret phrase that you might have written on a piece of paper, the private key that's also in a similar way, or there are other options. If you have logged into the same device for Trust Wallet before and you would like to recover it, but you don't have secret phase, a lot of times Google Drive Backup does it automatically. And for you to double check that on any other wallet that you might have, then you can just simply go back to any account and then from here click on three dots. As you can see, secret phrase backups Google Drive is active. And you can simply click on manual for any other account. So if it did that automatically, then you can have that. If not, then if you use it on the same account, on the same phone, then it will have saved the password that you have once logged in with before, and it will write it right here. And if any of your friends or colleagues have your wallet address, then from here as well, you can at least click on the view only wallet and then write it fully. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.